If you're experiencing login failures in Rocket League, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rocket League server status page or social media channels to see if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart the game. Close Rocket League completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues and refresh your login session. Step 3. Verify internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing your connection on other devices or running a speed test. If your connection is weak, try resetting your router. Step 4. Update the game. Make sure that Rocket League is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates through your gaming platform and install them if necessary. Step 5. Relog into your account. Log out of your Rocket League account and then log back in. This can help refresh your account credentials and resolve any login issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login failures and get back to enjoying Rocket League. If problems persist, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.